Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Nelson, and today I'm going to introduce you to a really neat engineering and design building kit. And I think you're really going to enjoy learning how to become an engineer and how to do some planning and investigating in how structures of different kinds are built and designed by engineers. In this first video, I'm just going to show you a little bit about the kit, what's inside, and some of the things that you can build. So let me start by opening up the box and showing you that inside you do get a very nice instructional manual that comes along with the kit that explains how to build all the different structures. You do get a wide variety of plastic parts and pieces, and these are in individual bags. I've opened up some of them, but there's different building platforms that are orange and blue. You have some connector pieces as well, and lots of different pieces in here that you use to build your structures. You also get 10 activity cards that show you how to build things from a bridge to a zip line to a superhighway to a guardrail, a crane, a drawbridge, a parking garage, even skyscrapers and an elevator, and even another kind of bridge. So these activity cards are wonderful because they show you in detail the pictures of what the bridge will look like, how to put the pieces together, and then on the back of the card it shows you an engineering challenge. For example, in this particular bridge that I'm going to be building today, I'm going to build this bridge, but then the challenge on the back of the card is to find out how to redesign your bridge to allow a large boat to pass underneath. And they give you a couple of options to think about and consider and determine what bridge might be the best bridge design to allow bigger boats to travel underneath. So in this next video, we're going to get started making this bridge. Thank you.